Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a marble run with these things. So I have some marbles in here, I hope. Some other things too. That. Oh yeah, here's a marble. Well, here are the marbles that I'm going to be using, and so they can like fall through here apparently. Hope this works. Don't care about you. You depress me. That's very depressing. Well, without further ado, let's get started. So, I just looked in this, and there's a dead cricket inside there. And it's very big. Hope it's dead. Well, let's get back to making. Guys, this is what I have so far. It's not too impressive. It's just, well, this is what I have. This is going to be the marble run for this video. So, let's stick our marble in. Oh no, it fell out. How did that happen? Okay, let's try it one more time. And there it goes. So we still have this many things left. Kind of wish I used them all. But, I mean, can't get what you want. You can't always get what you want in life. Well, for this video, Mr. Slithers is going to say goodbye. So, Mr. Slithers, could you do the honors? 3 hours later. Well, what he said.